guys, so welcome back to my channel. So I have a new makeup tutorial for you guys, but before we jump into that, I wanted to talk to you guys about the all-in-one Zarbees supplement. This is the cough syrup mucus throat and nasal supplement, dietary supplement. So they have the daytime one, and then they have the nighttime one. I am a big advocate, I guess, when it comes to Zarbees. I have been using this supplement for my kids since they were babies, and now I have a 6-year-old and a 4-year-old. So I am very excited about these new products. They also have the new soothing throat spray. It says soothes dry and irritated throat. Again, this is not a medicine. This is a dietary supplements. Again, I am the #1 fan when it comes to Zarbees, so I hope you guys can check them out. I will leave some links and more info in the comment section below. So that's enough talking about these 3 amazing products. Let's jump into the makeup tutorial. Today's video, I will be using the new JUVIAS Place holiday collection. Y'all already know how I feel about JUVIAS Place, so please keep on watching to see what I created, or how I created this gorgeous look that you guys saw on the thumbnail that brought you to my page in the first place. Keep on watching.
Satisfied, my weakness comes and goes. My weakness comes and goes. I'm reaching out for the easy high. Please fortify this strength of mine. My weakness comes and goes. My weakness comes and goes. Satisfied.